When it's hot outside and you want a refreshing treat, but you don't feel like turning that oven on, this is exactly what you need. It's got that pineapple, coconut filling, and a toasted Pignoli graham cracker crust. That's perfection. Hi everyone, I'm Pika, and welcome back to Baker Affair. Let's get started. Okay, super quick rundown of the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need 1.5 cups of graham crackers that are crushed, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, that's optional. You don't have to put it in. 1/3 cup of Pignoli nuts, or pine nuts as they call them, that have been toasted and cooled down. And then the filling, you're gonna need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, that's at room temperature, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1.5 cups of whipping cream that has been whipped, or you can use whipped topping, 1 cup of unsweetened coconut that's been toasted and cooled off, 2 cups of fresh pineapple, cut up very small and drained really well. We want it moist, but we don't want it wet because it'll make for a wet pie. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. 1.5 teaspoons of gelatin and 2 tablespoons of cold water. So on that note, let's get started.
To the food processor, add the Pignoli nuts and the graham crackers and combine until it's a sandy texture. Then add the melted butter and mix well. Pour it into the pie dish and firmly press.
Okay, so now it's all been pressed in. Let me give you a better shot. See? And then this is going to go into the refrigerator. It's going to chill for about 30 minutes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I bloomed the gelatin, 1.5 teaspoons of gelatin and 2 tablespoons of cold water. And I'm going to stick it in this pot. If you have a microwave, which I don't stick it in the microwave, I'm going to stick mine in a pot. So you do you. Basically, I'm just going to take this gelatin that looks like that, and I'm going to go melt it on the stove. So now I'm going to take a thing of cream cheese, stick it in a bowl, and I'm going to add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar to it. Okay, and then I mixed it up, everything. I added vanilla and all that. And now I'm going to add the coconut, pineapple that I've drained. See all that? You want it moist, but you do not want it wet. That goes in. And then I'm going to add the whipped cream. It's going to go in the refrigerator for a few hours to overnight to firm it up. Okay, so it just came out of I had it in the freezer because I was trying to cool it off and firm it up more quicker, and it kind of didn't work, but that's okay. I'm still going to try a piece. Let me see. If you like pineapple, if you like toasted coconut, and if you like Pignoli nuts, all three, it's delicious. I hope you give it a try. If you do, come back and let me know what you thought of it. I love it. I could eat it every day, especially during the summer when I don't have to bake. I can just make it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like, subscribe. And until next Wednesday, ciao.